The biggest one, we call it as dinner plate. We don't call main course plate. We can call main course plate, but it's quite long. So you call it as dinner plate, alright? So we used to call this as dinner plate. So this dinner plate have different sizes actually. This is 9 inch. There are some 8 inch, alright? It depends. Different supplier give different size, alright? So if you can see, the most largest plate is called as dinner plate, alright? And then second largest plate, this one, appetizer or dessert, which one is bigger? Dessert is bigger than appetizer. You remember that, alright? So this one is dessert plate. This one is appetizer plate, smaller one. Alright, but there are also dessert plate that is quite small, different categories. Okay, alright, and then we have here, what do you call this? Saucer is this one. This one is called saucer. What is the difference here? This one got the small round here. This one is used for, this is what we call as saucer. Saucer is used for what? Not sauce. Saucer is used to put your coffee cup on the top. Right, this is called saucer. Remember this, right? Saucer. But this one is what? This one is normally on your side. What do you call it? Okay, this one is called BB plate. Not baby, not because baby. I know you call your boyfriend baby, but not that. Okay, BB. BB stand for what? BB stand for bread and butter. Bread and butter, not baby as I mentioned. Okay, baby plate. Alright, so baby plate is used for what? For bread and butter. Later we will be serving bread and butter on this baby plate. BB plate. Okay, saya pun tersebut baby plate. Alright, so clear? This one dinner plate, dessert plate, appetizer, BB plate, saucer. Okay.